4.3. So question, solve each of the following pair of equations. Each of the following pair of equations. Each of the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. To a pair of linear equations. First question, 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. So this is the question. Now we need to find out the solution. So first, if we observe the denominator x minus 1 y minus 2, here also denominator x minus 1 y minus 2. So I am taking getting 1 by x minus 1, only denominator x minus 1. So the numerator should be 1 equal to 1 by y minus 2 equal to b. 1 by x minus 1 equal to a, 1 by y minus 2 equal to b. 5 into a, 5a plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to b equal to equation 1. Next, denominator by x minus 1, it is nothing but numerator a. 6a minus 3b equal to 1, equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. I want to solve 1 and 2. This a quotient 5, b quotient 6. This 5 multiplied with this 6, this 6 multiplied with 5. 5 into 6, 38. 6 into b, 6b. 2 into 6, 12. 5 into 6, 38. Minus b into 5, minus 15b. 1 into 5, 5. Again, 6 into 5, 30. 6 into b, 6b. 6 into 2, 12. 5 into 6, 30. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 1, 5. So changing the signs, minus, plus, minus. So 30 cancel. Next, 15b plus 6b, 21b equal to 12 minus 5, 7. So 21b equal to 7, b equal to 7 by 21 equal to 1 by 3. So b value 1 by 3. So put in any of the equation. Put in equation 1, 5a plus 1 by 3 equal to implies 5a equal to 2 minus 1 by 3 equal to 2 into 3, 6 minus 1, 5 by 3. 5a equal to 5 by 3, 5 cancel, a equal to 1 by 3. Both a and b values are equal to 1 by 3. So what is a? 1 by x minus 1 equal to 1 by 3 implies x minus 1 equal to taking the reciprocals. Denominators are equal. So x equal to 4. Now 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1 by 3 implies y minus 2 equal to 3, y equal to 5. Solution, x equal to 4, y equal to 5. So this is the required solution. Next, question number 2. Second, x plus y by xy equal to 2. X minus y by xy equal to 6. Equal to 6. So this is the question. So x plus y by xy equal to splitting x by xy plus y by xy equal to 2. X by xy split x by xy plus y by xy. x cancel, y cancel. First I am writing this 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to. Next, x minus y by xy equal to 6 implies x by xy minus y by xy equal to 6. X cancel, y cancel. So 1 by y minus 1 by x equal to 6. Okay, now I am taking let 1 by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b. So denominators I am taking. This is a plus b equal to 2. This is b minus a equal to 6. 1, 2. Solving 1 and 2. A plus b equal to 2. B minus a is nothing but minus a plus b equal to 6. A cancel. B plus b, 2b equal to 8 implies b equal to 4. So a plus b equal to what? A plus b equal to 2. A plus 4 equal to 2 implies a equal to 2 minus 4. Minus 2. A equal to minus 2. Now, so a equal to 1 by x implies 1 by x equal to a minus 2 implies x equal to minus 1 by 2. Next, b equal to 1 by y implies 1 by y equal to what is b? 4 implies y equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 by 2, y equal to 1 by 4. So this is the required solution. Next question. So fourth question is similar to this one. We will discuss fourth, later third, fourth. 6x plus vy equal to 6xy, 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. Okay, so both equations I want to divide with xy, it will be converted like this. 6x plus 3y by xy equal to 6 implies 6x by xy plus 3y by xy equal to 6. Here it is y cancel, here it is x cancel. First 3 by x plus 6 by y equal to 6. So 3 by x plus 6 by y equal to 6. Next 2x plus 4y by xy equal to 5. Divided with xy. So 2x by xy plus 4y by xy equal to 5. Y cancel, x cancel. I want to write this one first. 4 by x plus 2 by y equal to 5. So same thing. 1 by x equal to a. Let's 1 by x equal to a. 1 by y equal to b. If we are taking 1 by x, 1 by x, 3 by x equal to 3a plus 6b, 3a plus 6b equal to 6. So observe all multiples of 3, divide with the 3. A, 3a by 3, a, 6b by 3, 2b, 6 by 3, 2. Equation number 1. Next, in this 4a plus 2b equal to 5. So in this 2 common, but it is not cancel. It is not multiple of 2. So solving 1 and 2. 4a plus 2b equal to 5. A plus 2b equal to minus minus minus. 2b cancel. So 4a minus a equal to 3a equal to 5 minus 2, 3. So a equal to 3 by 3, 1. Next, a plus 2b equal to a plus 2b equal to a value 1. 1 plus 2b equal to 2. 2b equal to 2 minus 1, 1. b equal to 1 by 2. now 1 by x equal to a. A is what? 1. So 1 by x equal to 1. X is also equal to 1. Next 1 by y equal to b. 1 by y equal to b equal to 1 by 2. Y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. So therefore x equal to 1. Y equal to 2. Next one. So third one, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Equal to minus 1. So similar, I am taking 1 by root x equal to a, 1 by root y equal to b. 1 by root y equal to b. So then 2a plus 3b equal to equation 1. 4a minus 9b equation equal to minus 1 equation 2. So we need to solve it 1 and 2. If we want to solve 1 and 2, make a quotients are equal, b quotients are equal. So this is 2, this is 4. If we multiply with this 2, we will get 4. So 2 into 2a, 4a, 2 into 3, 6b, 2 into 2, 4. This one has this 4a minus 9b equal to minus plus 4a cancel. 6b plus 9b, 15b. 4 plus 1, 5. b equal to 5 by 15, which is equal to 1 by 5 cancel 1 by 3. So put in equation 1. 2a plus 3 into b, 1 by 3 equal to 3 cancel. 2a equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. a equal to 1 by 2. b value 1 by 3, a equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by root x equal to a implies 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2. a equal to 1 by 2. So root x equal to 2, squaring on both sides, x equal to 4. Now 1 by root y equal to b. 1 by root y equal to b value how much? 1 by 3. Root y equal to 3, y square 9. x equal to 4, y equal to 9. So this is the required solution. Okay. Next question. Fifth one, 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y equal to minus 1. 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y equal to 10. So similar to the previous, let's 1 by x plus y equal to a, 1 by x minus y equal to b. Then 5 into a, 5a minus 2b equal to minus 1. 15a plus 7b equal to 10. Equation 1, equation 2. Solving equations 1 and 2 similar to the previous other problems. So solving equations 1 and 2. This is 5, 15. If we multiply with 3, 5 into 3, 15. So 3 into 5, 15a. 3 into 2, 6b. 3 into minus 1, minus b. 15a plus 7b plus 10. Changing the sign, minus minus minus. So 15a cancel, minus 6b minus 7b minus 13b equal to minus 13. Minus 13 cancel, b equal to 1. So this b value is substituted in any of. So put b equal to 1 in equation 1. In equation 1 I want to substitute 5a minus 2 into 1 equal to minus 1. So 5a, this is what? Minus 2, bringing outside 1 plus 2 equal to minus 1 plus 2 equal to 1. So 5a equal to 1, a equal to 1 by 5. So we got a value 1 by 5. Now, so 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 5 implies x plus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 5. Next, 1 by x minus y equal to 1 by x minus y equal to what? B. B equal to 1 implies x minus y equal to 1. So 3, 4. Solving 3 and 4. X plus y equal to 5. X minus y equal to 1. Y cancel. 2x equal to 6. X equal to 3. Put x equal to 3 in equation 3. In equation 3. So x plus y equal to 5. What is this? 3 plus y equal to 5 implies y equal to 5 minus 3 equal to. Therefore, x equal to 3, y equal to 2. So this is the required solution. Okay. Next, sixth question. 2 by x plus 3 by y plus 3 by y equal to 30. 5 by x minus 4 by y equal to minus 2. Same. Let 1 by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b. 1 by x a, 1 by y b. So 2a plus 3b equal to 30. 5a minus 4y, 4 by y, 4b equal to minus 2. 1, 2. So solving 1 and 2. If we solve 1 and 2, we need to multiply this one with 2, this one with 5. 5 into 2, 28. 5 into 3, 15b. 5 into 13, 65. 2 into 5, 28. 2 into minus 4, minus 8b. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus, plus, changing the sign. 28 cancel. 15 plus 8, 23b equal to 65 plus 4, 69 implies b equal to 69 by 23 equal to 3. B value 3. Put b equal to 3 in equation 1. In this 2a plus 3 into 3, 9 equal to 30. So 2a equal to 4. A equal to 2. So a value 2, b value 3. So 1 by x equal to a implies 1 by x equal to 2 implies x value 2. 1 by y equal to b implies what is the y? What is the b? B value is equal to 3. So 1 by y equal to 3 implies this is 1 by 2, y equal to 1 by 2. Therefore x equal to 1 by 2 comma y equal to 1 by 2. So this is the required solution. Next, question number 7. 10 by x plus y, 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4. 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equal to minus 2. equal to minus 2. Okay. 10 by x plus y by plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4. 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equal to. So this is almost same as this. So let 1 by x plus y equal to a. 1 by x minus y equal to 10a plus 2b equal to 4. So cancel, 2 common cancel, 5a plus b equal to 2. Equation 1. Equation 1. Next, this one. If we substitute 15a minus 5a equal to minus 2, equation 2. Because in these two terms 5 common, but here it is not multiple of 5. So this is 55. 5 into 3, 15. So 15a plus solving 1 and 2. Then 15a plus 3b equal to 6. 15a minus 5b equal to minus 2. Changing the signs. Minus plus plus. 15a getting cancelled. So 3b plus 5b equal to 8b. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. B equal to 8 by 8 equal to 1. So b value 1. So put b equal to 1 in equation 1. B equal to 1 in equation 1. So 5a plus 1 equal to implies 5a equal to minus 1 1. So a equal to 1 by 5. B equal to 1. What is a? A equal to 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 5 implies x plus y equal to 5. Equation number 3. Next, 1 by x minus y equal to 1 implies x minus y equal to 1. Equation 4. So solving 3 and 4. Equation 3 and 4. So x plus y equal to 5. X minus y equal to 1. Y getting cancelled. 2x equal to 6 implies x equal to 3. X equal to 3. Put x equal to 3 in equation 3 or 4. In equation 3. So x plus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 5. So x plus y equal to 5. 3 plus y equal to 5 implies y equal to 5 minus 3, 2. Therefore, x equal to 3, y equal to 2. So, this is the required solution. And last one, 8th one is 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. 1 by 2 of 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 of 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. Okay, so both the denominators are 3x plus y and 3x minus y. So let's 1 by 3x plus y equal to a, 1 by 3x minus y equal to b. So 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to 3 by 4. So cross multiply 4. 4 by a plus 4 by b equal to 3. Or else I will leave here. Later I want to take. Okay, next 1 by 2a minus 1 by 2b equal to minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. Actually, this is wrong. Actually, what I wrote. One by 3x plus y equal to a. So this is a plus b equal to 3 by 4. Cross multiply now. 4a plus 4b equal to 3. Equation 1. Now 1 by 2a minus 1 by 2b equal to minus 1 by 8. So 1 by 2 of 1 by a minus by b minus 1 by 2 into 1 2 into 4 cross multiply again this one 1 by 3x plus 1 equal to a. So a by 2, this is minus b by 2 equal minus 1 by 8. So a minus b by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. 2 into 1, 2 into 4 cross multiply. 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1 equation 2. Okay, so coefficients are also equal. So directly solving 1 and 2. 1 and 2. If we solve 1 and 2, 4a plus 4b equal to 3. 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1. Cancel 4b. 4a plus 4a, 8a equal to 3 minus 1, 2. a equal to 1 by 4. So put this a value 1 by 4 in equation 1. Put a equal to 1 by 4 in equation 1. If we substitute in equation 1, 4a plus 4b equal to 3. 4 4 cancel. 4b equal to 3 minus 1 equal to implies b equal to 2 by 4. b equal to 1 by 2. So a value 1 by 4, b value 1 by 4. So a 1 by 3x plus y equal to 1 by a implies 1 by 3x plus y equal to 1 by 4. So 3x plus y equal to 4. Equation number 3. So 1 by 3x minus y equal to 1 by b implies 1 by 3x minus y equal to what is b? b equal to 1 by 2. This is a, this is b. b equal to 1 by 2. 3x minus y equal to 2. Equation number 4. So now we need to solve 1, 3 and 4. Solving 3 and 4. 3x plus y equal to 4. 3x minus y equal to 2. y cancel. 3x plus 3x. 6x equal to 6. x equal to 1. So put x equal to 1 in equation 3. 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4. y equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So therefore x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So this is the required